Hello, welcome to Goutam Graphics. Today I will show you how to make Modulo Engineering logo. Let's start. You can see the brief. They just want to incorporate M and % symbol. They also helps company to design and manufacture electrical products. Modulo refers to a mathematical operator used in computer science and in programming is referred to by the % symbol. Logo color is recommended dark blue. Here is some concept design. You know it's very bad design. Let's start to make this design. Select pen tool. Draw M. Hold shift key on keyboard. Select selection 2. Select M. Up the stroke value up to 45. Select M. Then press C on keyboard. Activate crop tool. Click on those point. Click on this point. Pressing down arrow key on keyboard for multiple time. Do same thing on this line. Hold shift key and move the arrow upward. Click this point, press upward key from keyboard. Select direct selection tool. Click this point. Align to this stroke. Select rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. Press this arrow to swap line color to fill color. Place box here. Select direct selection tool. Select the point. Press delete on keyboard. Press P for pen tool. Connect those anchor point. Click selection tool. Place here. Duplicate this object to holding Alt key with left click. Rotate the object holding Shift key. Fit it properly. Drag the ruler and align to this object. Drag another ruler. Right-click. Transform. Rotate. Put the value -45 degree. Align to this object. Duplicate it by holding Alt with left key. Select this 3-stroke holding Shift key. Go to Object Expand OK. Select Direct Selection tool. Align this object to the guideline. I am fast forwarding my video. Let's enjoy this music. Select selection tool. Select this to guideline. Duplicate it. Right-click transform reflect to 90 degree. Select Type tool. Type Modulo. I choose font next to bold. Size it properly. Fill the stroke color with black. Up the stroke value up to 0.3. Open text box. Up the tracking value up to 25. Select Text tool. Type Engineering. Click on Selection tool. Open text box. Up the tracking value up to 640. Fit it to the guideline. Down the text value. Select logo image. Click on Fill color. I take dark blue. Select Engineering. Fill the line color. Select Modulo. Go to Object Expand OK. Select Modulo. Click I for eyedropper tool. You can choose also Tool panel. Click on Logo image to grab the color. Select Engineering. Go to Object Expand OK. Do it 2 times. Select eyedropper. Fill the color. Now our logo is ready. If you enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, share, comment. Thank you.